Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. Guys, if you're subscribed to this channel, I want to thank you so much. If you're not yet subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe so you can get notification when I bring out new videos. Guys, welcome back. This is Monday. It is a great day for the stock market. We can see that the EV market has picked up this morning. Now, we're looking right now basically at XPeng. Now, I have made a ton of videos over the years in terms of XPeng, in terms of NIO. If you guys recall back last year or the year before, I've made a ton of NIO videos. I've been riding NIO for a long time, and I've been riding XPeng since IPO. Now, I've made a ton of profit, and a lot of you guys that's on this channel have made a ton of profit when we sell high and we rebuy low and sell high again. Now, if you guys recall, approximately 2-3 weeks back when XPeng was trading below $23 per share, I said, guys, we need to buy as many shares as you can afford and hold, right? This is what we want to do. We want to buy as many shares as we can, hold and wait for days like now. Listen, guys, if you're planning short term, you can be assured that you have made almost 60% of your profit since I told you guys 2 weeks to buy in on this stock. If you're going long term, this is a no-brainer. Leave it as it is. Now, if we take a look back here, we're looking in the last 6 months, going back to January, we can see when XPeng crosses that high volume. Then we saw it tank back in March. As usual, I let a lot of you guys know in March to buy as many shares as you could, because then you could have made a small profit and then rebuy when it was dirt cheap back 3 weeks back. Now, again, we're back in the high 38s. We can see that NIO is crossing over $43 per share. But Tesla, yes, Tesla is still dropping below $583 per share. That is not good for anyone that's holding the stock. But that's good for people that's not holding Tesla yet. That means there is an opportunity for you guys to get in on Tesla. Now, let's keep it to XPeng for a minute, guys. XPeng is a unique company. I let you guys know in the beginning that the quality, the style, the tech, the innovation, everything to do with XPeng has been great. There's been no complaints in terms of what they're looking at for the future. In my last few videos months back, I let you know the vision that they have, that they want to have flying cars. That's a leap years away, but still they have that ambitious goals that they have in mind. Now, there's a lot of reason why I think you guys should invest in XPeng. And I'll keep this video to the point, no sugarcoating. Just make sure I bring it out there to you guys straight so you understand what you're investing in. Now, I still recommend, as usual, please do your research. Research is key. If you're investing, guys, do the groundwork. It goes a long way. But I only make videos of stocks that I'm buying and stocks that I'm selling. That's it. So if I'm making a video, guys, that mean it meant a lot to me, my family, to everyone, because friends and family is watching this channel and they're buying what I'm suggesting, they're selling what I'm suggesting. As usual, I cannot tell you or recommend you to buy or sell. I can only recommend you based on what I'm doing if you're following the same journey. Now, let's take a look back on XPeng. So there was a few news that I think is very key in terms of XPeng, yes, and the vision of what they're doing and what they're trying to accomplish. Now, I let you guys know in terms of the other self-driving cars in China, the platform, the network that they have developed so far, they are utilizing that LiDAR technology months back. Right, they're one of the first company to officially announce that they're doing self-driving cars in China. Now, there's a few great things that I think this company is doing as well. No, regardless, we understand that they're making vehicles, they're delivering vehicles, and the numbers are starting to get up there. But in terms of charging station, XPeng is one of the only company in the EV world, I should say the first company in the EV world to provide their customers with free lifetime charging. Now, I know Tesla had something similar in the beginning, but that's only for the original Tesla owners, if I'm correct. Don't quote me on that. But XPeng right now is saying, regardless of our customers, you guys are benefiting from free charging. Now, so far, the company has more than 1,000 charging station over 164 cities across China. That is huge. So let me repeat, they're providing you with free charging, meaning that as long as you buy their car, you can charge for free. Meaning that if you have a gas vehicle, you wouldn't need to buy gas forever. So in the similar aspect, they're telling you that if you buy an Xpeng vehicle, you can charge for free whenever you want. So far, they have more than 1,000 charging station in 164 cities across China. That is magnificent. So, guys, if you're planning to go in on Xpeng at $38 per share, a lot of people may think, oh, the price ran up, so I'm scared. I'm never scared with Xpeng. As I let you guys know, I hold so many EV stocks, but the ones that I'm keen on in terms of Workhorse, Neo, of course, and Tesla. And of course, Nikola, I still hold it in my bag. It is one of those stocks that will jump at you soon. I'm still waiting for Nikola. But right now, I'm telling you guys, you got to get some shares of Xpeng. Hold it long term. And I tell a lot of people over the months that I invested in a lot of Chinese company, whether it's tech, whether it's EV, whether it's in robotics. You got to invest in a lot of these Chinese companies from now because China is dominating the world in a lot of different areas. And in the future, China will be a big world power. So you want to make sure that you invest in a lot of these companies at an earlier stage. That's how we make money. We buy low, sit patiently, and then wait until that golden opportunity. Then we could sell and make a ton of profit. Guys, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I urge you, please hit that subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know if you're holding Xpeng. What's your take? If you're going to hold it long term, if you're planning to sell soon, if you're planning to sell half of your position, wait for it to dip and then buy again. I've done a ton of those trades, guys. I've sold in the high 60s, in the high 70s. I've rebought back in the 39. I've sold again in the 50s. I've bought in the low 20s. So I've buy and sell. But I always tell you, most of these situation is I take my capital out. I keep buying and selling with my profit and then keep accumulating as many shares as possible. Now, I'm not recommending that you do the same, but if you're following the same vision, you understand we're trying to build more ownership in these companies at an earlier stage. So if you like this video, again, go ahead and subscribe. I understand it's not much details in the stock, but I like to give you just the surface to keep it as simple that anyone could understand how to invest in this company. So until next time, guys, like, share, and subscribe, and peace out.